Hi, this is ARUNACHALAM. Today let us analyze the stock Britannia Industries. It's a blue chip stock actually, and it's also a defensive stock. This is a stock which is always traded in very high PE because it's a FMCG stock, and it's also a good stock with a growth potential. So usually FMCG stocks trade in a high PE. It's not at all a matter, and now FMCGs are very good and they are shining like a gold. So now after a good sort of consultation, only serious investors will be holding the stock because the stock was on the same range for more than 2 years and it haven't moved even a 100% for more than 2 years. So it's a stock with a fantastic return. Look at the chart here. It's not a Renko chart. It's a normal candlestick chart. Each and every candle closed in bullishness, and it was on the same consolidation and started moving higher. And now I think the same is happening right now. So look at the huge uptrend, and it was on consolidation for more than 1 year, and there is a breakout, and it took a retracement, and it started moving higher. So the same pattern is following right now. The stock is actually a good stock for going long for long term. So after a good sort of consolidation, it started moving higher and it faced a resistance around price range of 3900. It's around 4000. Always remember, round numbers and square numbers may act as a resistance. So it's a round number 4000. 4000 acted as a resistance, and after hitting the 4000 range, it started falling like anything and was on the same range for more than 8 months. So now it's really ready to go long. Now let me move to the weekly chart to analyze further. In the weekly chart, the stock looks bullish. Even last week, it made a huge move from 3500 to 3900. It's a 400 points move. Let me draw the major trend line that govern the stock right now. So this can be considered as the trend line. So let me adjust it right. The stock just gave a breakout from the trend line, and now it's facing the resistance around 3900 to 4000 level. So this can be a major resistance level for the stock, but once the level was breached, then the stock will fly like anything. So now let's move to the daily chart. Before moving to the daily chart, join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description, and subscribe to our channel so that you will get the notifications of the videos published immediately. So make use of it. So let's move to the daily chart. In the daily chart, the stock looks bullish because the stock just gave a breakout from a long range which was followed since around July, and now it gave a breakout. Let me draw the major support line below. So this could be a good support for the stock, and this could be a primary support. This could be a secondary support. So if the stock breached this level, then we can expect the stock till 3700 range. If it was not breached, if it crossed above the 3900 and closed above 3950, then we can expect a huge rally in the stock. So it's a safer bet and it's good for long term also. Taking huge positions is completely advisable because the stock is bullish and financials is bullish, short term view is bullish, debt is low, everything is good in the stock. So going long in the stock is very good, and the stock also gave a breakout from a long term range, and now it's ready to fly a year. So focus on the stock for long and short term. So now let's analyze the price target and entry in the stock. So taking entry at current market price is very fine, but conservative entry, take entry only above 4050 range. So 4050 is almost 200 points difference from the current market price. I suggest 4050 because the stock may just manipulated and may even move till the below primary support, and that's completely fine when you are holding the stock for long term. If you trying to make a money using short term move, you should place entry only above the 4050 range, and it can give a fantastic return for short term. So taking entry above 3900 is also fine, it's for long term. And taking entry at 3900 or 3850 range, and 4200 can be taken as the target for the stock. Let me use the Fibonacci extension, and it's fine to go long in the stock. So for long term or for the safer and conservative entry, take entry only above the 4050 range, and one can expect 5000 range very easily, which is almost 25% upside, the two in a safer stock. So it's really good to go long in the stock, and use trailing stop loss or use EMA 21-day moving average, or else use EMA 50-day moving average. So both are fine, and if the price cuts the 50-day exponential moving average, then kindly exit the positions you have. So it's really good to go long in the stock. There is no point in waiting at all. Just invest in the stock on a small basis, which means invest a 25% a year at the current market price, and invest once it breaks the 4050 range, and invest if it came below also. So invest in all prices so that you will get a good averaging, and you can expect 5000 within a short term if the 4000 range is broken. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching our videos.